guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing the new DevaCurl Super Stretch Coconut Curl Elongator. It is supposed to stretch your curls. It elongates curls without compromising definition while coconut oil delivers shine and moisture. The soft, velvety texture gives it the moisture of a cream with the hold of a gel without the crunch. Okay? And the ingredients, I can never find ingredients on anything. How do I use it? I don't know what the ingredients are. What's in it? Oh, that's so cute, look. It's on the bottom. What? It's not a sticker though. I'm so confused. Oh, it is a sticker, look. Look at that, guys. It's a sticker. Alright, I'm not going to read all these ingredients, but I just want to say it does have glycerin, which makes it very frizzy with humidity. So it goes all over the top. I want to make sure I get every last drop of the product. Just go like that. There, but this is what it looks like. This light is really bright. This is what it looks like. So let's see if it's that smooth that it says. Let's see. I should have parted my hair beforehand. That would have been smart. Okay, but it's kind of thick, but it is very smooth. Like, it's thick, but can still move around. A lot of things are thick, they get really stiff. This one you can move around and stuff. It looks like. It smells like coconut, like the coconut curling cream. Okay, now I'm not gonna waste this product. I'm just gonna put it right back in because I should have parted my hair beforehand. There you go. Not wasting any product. Alright, so now I'm just gonna part my hair. Scratch the rest. Now I'm just gonna part my hair so that I can style it. Oh, I forgot to mention, before I did this video, I washed my hair with the DevaCurl One Condition. DevaCurl One Condition, DevaCurl No Poo, Wash Day Wonder, and their Melt into Moisture. So, all the links to the products that I use will be in the description box below, and so all of the accessories that I use. So, I'm gonna show you guys once my hair is completely wet, the shrinkage and how it is at the moment, so that we can see if it actually elongates it. Alright guys, so this is what my shrinkage is looking like. Make sure you guys can see. This is what my shrinkage is looking like. And it elongates to there. My hair isn't that long and doesn't have that much shrinkage, but it elongates to about there. And then I'll do the front view. It goes to about here, right there. So let's say the beginning of this right there. The beginning of the purple section right there. That's how long it goes. So now I'm just going to split it in the middle. I have more water because my hair loves water. Okay. I'm going to take about this much because I am only using this product. And I'm just going to rake it through. Ooh. It does have a lot of slip. Maybe not as much slip as I like, but it is doing the job and it does have a lot of slip. I also read in their article that it's not supposed to weigh down your hair, it's lightweight. So, okay, this is what it looks like. There's less shrinkage. I'm honestly not expecting it to make it shrink, to elongate, oh my god, my hair is all the way down here. No, because that wouldn't make sense. That means your hair would be straight. That wouldn't make any sense. So, this is what it's looking like. So now I'm going to do the other side. It's also very moisturized. It reminds me of their super cream. I just realized you guys can't really see my hair because of my shirt. But it's okay. if you can't, then you can just like fast forward to where I'm doing the top of my head. Also, I'm going to be having a lot of product reviews coming up because I am getting a lot of products in the mails because I'm partnering with different brands. So it doesned have the slip that I wanted. Like I said, a lot of my hair is coming out. It doesn't have a lot of slip like I expected it to, like everyone that had it like before was saying, but it does feel nice. Let me turn it on. And it looks really nice. If you are enjoying this video, do not forget to subscribe. Give it a thumbs up, and turn on the bell so that you get notified whenever I post. Ow. Alright. I'm also going to try to post once a week, every week. I'm going to try to post on what am I saying? I'm going to try to post every Sunday. Alright. Next section. I'm also going to start a new series called One and Done. And this will be the first video of the series. It's basically me using one product and seeing if it does the job or not. I honestly think that it's stretching out my curls. Like, do you guys see this? Hold on. This is like its length, right? It goes these pieces go like a little longer. It goes like there. But it's stretching them out. Like, you can see that it's stretching them out. Like, do you see that? Like, look at this. I honestly am falling in love with this product. Because the slip I can deal with, since you can just add water and it'll have more slip. So I can deal with that. And I see that it's making my hair moisturize. I feel like the product is, my hair is absorbing the product, not like it's just sitting on top of my head. Hopefully I like this one because their super cream is not my favorite since my hair is fine hair, if you didn't know, and it weighs down my hair. So hopefully this doesn't weigh it down, but it elongates it. I don't know why I did that, but yeah. Alright guys, so now I am done applying the product. This is how it's looking. It is very moisturized, and my hair has minimal frizz at the moment, even though my hair always has frizz. I'm going to let it air dry, and then I will be back with my results. Alright guys, so these are my results. I'm actually loving it. I have a bit of frizz in the back, but that's like my trouble area and usually needs more gel. And I did use more product, but since it says it's lightweight and it actually is lightweight, I would need to add a gel. Like, there's a bit of frizz. I'm gonna add gel like later before I go outside so that it doesn't get even more frizzy. But this part of my hair is looking great, and it still has shrinkage obviously, but it's way longer than what it would be if I didn't have this product in. Like, I'll put a couple of pictures with my other results, like, that was nasty, like here, and you can see it in the back of my head. It's not even down there, like, it's like up here. So it did elongate my curls, and this shine is beautiful. Like, honestly, the shine is beautiful. I would just say pair it with the gel and you'll get more hold since it's lightweight. So yeah, the link to the products will be in my bio, and to all the other products and accessories that I use will be in my bio. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the bell so that you get notified whenever I post.